to speak to you.
About?
I just want to get to know you. So, my question is, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
A Q&A this morning?
Because I am 31. And I was so surprised to see a screen recording of you last night saying, me a big old woman, I'm a front, cuddly. What was the word
Yeah,
you
your
used?
sound hurt. You hurt?
Yes, I am. For lack of a better word, I am. Because that was very absurd of you, and I don't appreciate being ridiculed on the internet by a man.
All right, come on.
Have you ever heard about my front being spoke of on the internet by a man or a woman? I know you run jokes and everything, you know.
Girl,
and I know you're funny at times.
Take up things on your head too much.
But you not tend to pass your place. Very disrespectful. You don't do that. You not pass your place with people. Not because you're funny, you don't get ahead of yourself. And you not get disrespectful. That's not a joke. That's not a joke. What you guys take for a joke, I understand somehow, no. I understand somehow, no, women. I don't find it funny when people disrespect other women, but some women don't like it. I don't find it funny. When a man talk about doing it this way and laugh, is it funny?
Must say something about her last night, but she never liked it.
And when I couldn't listen to it, I want to tell me what part of this is funny. Hold on. For the people them want to say if me give him a chance to talk, you know deaf, or are you blind, or you just never there, or you just love man, or you just stupid. Of course, me give him a chance to talk. One, two, no. Me give him a chance to talk and the man say if me hurt. If you hurt me, what wrong with you no? Me look like somebody wanna give people a chance? You ever see me overtalk somebody? For the 7 years when me dey on the app here, you ever see me overtalk nobody? Remember me there before game start play. You ever see me overtalk nobody? You not see me wait till, you not see when me attack. Me expect people to wait till me done, cause when them attack me wait till them finish. And I stopped. And him said to me, say, so it hurt you like you expect me to say no. So me say, yes, it hurt me. That's why I'm saying this. That's why I'm speaking to you, because it hurt me. So what are you saying, but I didn't give him a chance to talk? Anybody what says so no black Deb, please. I think with the old man part what get me. At the front part, you don't do that. You don't do that. And you see, if me look old, if I look older than 31, it's because, you see, in my younger years, in my 18s, in my 20s, because he must be 21 to consider me old. But you see, in my 20s, I was building my foundation. I was achieving all that I needed to achieve. I have a lot of achievements under my belt. So I had a lot of sleepless nights. At 18, 19, 20, 17, 16, I was working so hard. I am a highly accomplished woman and nobody can take that from me. See, when people was busy partying or at their mom's house at their own convenience, I was out there building businesses until today that I can have multiple. I achieved everything that I achieved before the age of 30. Before 25, before 23. And I show people respect for a reason. You realize how respectful I am of people? Because I cannot take disrespect and I don't tolerate it. I'm the first man on TikTok I've ever heard to say my front rub out. And as far as I know myself, I don't hear any man's story or any careless story with me on here.
I'm telling you the only problem with TJ. Two problems with TJ. He watch Maya too much. And he video too much. And the people already hire photographer, videographer, and the people who come a party if you watch people. Why TJ feel like I say can walk around and put camera in everybody face from them, boot come up to the eyeball and then you just a walk around and a video. You're a pussycat videographer. TJ you move like a video. You move like I said, Ramesh pay you for video party. Thank you for your first gift. I say you move to it. You move like I say. You get paid for video party. And you move like I say, you don't have to Maya don't want no security, you know. Maya is a big girl who can handle herself. Maya is a big girl who can control herself. You just a watch a little girl. And I know she want broke out. I want to song them I play and sit down. Everyone pretend about so. My sister Maya want to go up on her, you know. But see her every minute. Sometimes I have to make a girl lay free up, bro, and be themselves. That's the only problem we have with you. You video too much and you watch Maya too much. And you need to stop it. Who again? Yeah, TJ.